So good morning dear students. In today's class we are going to study about air separator and bag filter. So air separator is here similar to cyclone separator. You can see the diagram here, but here two outlets will be there. One outlet for fine powders and the another outlet for heavy particles are the coarse particles. And here and at the top it will be connected to a rotating disc or the rotating blades, and the feed inlet here it will be from the top center. So principle here also, the separating principle will be centrifugal force. Here an air environment is obtained by means of rotating disc and blade. Means here air you are not passing due to the rotation of the blade and the rotation of the disc. The air will be created in the arrow which has shown in the diagram in that direction. As soon as the feed will be coming and the disc will be rotating, it will make the particles to rotate, and due to the velocity of the air created, the fine particle will become straight, collected at the straight outlet, whereas heavy particles will be collected at the tangential of the crossword exit. Construction. So with the help of diagram only you can explain. It consists of a cylindrical vessel with a conical base. The feed inlet is fitted to the upper part. The rotating disc and rotating blades are attached to the central shaft to produce air environment. At the base of the vessel, two outlets are provided, one for fine particles and other for the heavy particles of the coarse particles. This is the construction. Next is the working. How it is working means the disc and our blade is allowed to rotate in a means of motor. Means the disc and the blade here which is connected, it will be allowed to rotate. It will produce the air. The sample powder is introduced to the feed inlet. From the feed inlet, the powder which has to be separated will be coming. The feed falls on the rotating disc. So due to the rotating of the blades, the feed falls on the rotating disc, and also it will start to rotate. So the fine particles are dropped and ultimately collected at the outlet meant for fine particles. Means due to low density, the fine particles will collected directly from the fine particle outlet, whereas heavy particles which are fall downward are removed at the outlet meant for heavy particles. From the heavy particle outlet, the heavy particles will be collected. Uses. Air separators are often attached to the ball mill or hammer mill to separate the written oversized particles for further size reduction. Means air separator as such it cannot be used. It will be used along with a ball mill or hammer mill where the size reduction of the powder is not sufficient. Means further they will be size reduced by using the air separators, where the particles will be collected which are not finally size reduced, and they will be again fine reduced using ball mill or hammer mill. Again they will be separated in the air separator. So next is the bag filter. So you can see here the diagram. Here what this discharge manifold is. No, here this is the bag. This is connected to the other like cyclone separator or air separator. The bags will be collected where the fine dust will be collected. It is mainly bag filters are used for the collection of the fine particles. Here it will act by the two mechanism. One is where the vacuum is applied. In the second diagram, the pressure is applied. First, by applying the vacuum, the particles are size separated. Then by applying the pressure, the particles are which are size separated and they will be collected. So here the principle will be size separation of fines or dust from the milled powder is achieved in two steps. Mainly, as I said, it is mainly used for the collection of fines or the dust from the powder mixture. In first step, the milled powder is passed through the bag filter by applying the suction. That is nothing but the vacuum. In the first diagram, this is the first picture where vacuum is applied, and to the bags the fines will be attached due to the application of the vacuum. Second, as the in second diagram, the pressure will be applied in order to shake the bag so that the powder adhering to the bag fall off, which is collected from the conical base. Means in the second diagram, pressure will be applied so that the particles which is attached or adhered to the bag, the bags will be shaken due to the pressure and they will fall down and they will be collected at the product discharge. Here in first diagram you can see that product discharge is closed because this is only for size separation. Vacuum will be applied here. The in second step, pressure will be applied to collect the separated size separated fines. Construction, it consists of a number of bags made of cotton or wool fabric. The bags will be made up of either cotton or wool fabric. They are suspended in a sheet of metal container. The hopper is arranged at the bottom of the filter to receive the feed. At the top of metal container, a provision is made for the exhaust. Working of the bag filter consists of two steps. So as I said, in two steps. First step, vacuum is applied for the collection of the fines. In second step, pressure is applied to shake the bags, which are where the fines will be attached, will be collected at the bottom. Uses, bag filters are used along with the other size separation equipment. As I said, air separator is also used with other size separation equipment, and bag filter is also used for other, along with the other size separation equipment like cyclone separator or air separator. Bag filters are used to remove the fines from the cyclone discharge. Cyclone discharge is nothing but the cyclone separator, where the fines will be passed out to the air from the top. You can see back the cyclone separator. In cyclone separator, there will be an exhaust or outlet for the air from the top, where the fines also will be coming out in the air. So there the bag will be connected so that the particles will remain in the bag. It is connected to discharge end of the fluidized energy mill. So fluidized energy mill also you have seen in the size separation equipment. It will be elliptical shape, so it is also connected to that to collect the fine particles. Advantages will be extremely useful for removing the fines which cannot be separated by other methods. Means fines, only very fine particles can be collected easily here. Can be used to remove dust also. Disadvantage will be, it is as such not a size separation equipment, because it will be always connected with the other size separation equipment. As such itself alone, it cannot be size separated.